Muslims dominated the field of mathematics for most of the Middle Ages and part of the Renaissance. The use of mathematics is directly tied to several important duties in Islam. Math is used to calculate zakah, or the poor due. It's used to determine shares of inheritance and for the Islamic calendar. The contributions of Muslim mathematicians have a direct impact on how each of us uses math today. Long ago, numbers were represented by letters or symbols, which made calculations cumbersome. Muslims discovered a numeral system, which was used by people in ancient India. After making some modifications to this system, Muslims adopted it and later introduced it to the world. The number of angles in each numeral determined its value. With an efficient numeric system in their hands, Muslims made the science of math flourish. The complex system of inheritance in Islam was simplified when the celebrated scholar Al-Khwarizmi introduced the world to algebra in the 9th century. Muslims were also the first to develop trigonometry. A scholar by the name of Al-Kashani invented the decimal fraction and the first calculating machine. He also solved the binomial theorem 200 years before Sir Isaac Newton. In Muslim history, there are no less than 34 scholars who guided the development of mathematics for 5 centuries.